all know it. It's just a matter of time before your DPF needs to be cleaned. So, what do you do?
I'm Roger van der Oude. I'm the Product Director for Dinex Aftermarket. All modern trucks are fitted with different types of catalysts, including the DPFs that you see here. These need periodic cleaning. A lot of people will do this just with bake and blow, or even with power washing at home in their garage, which is not great for the environment or the people around doing it. We prefer to do a 3-stage cleaning process, and this takes out up to 50% more of the hard material that's blocking the DPF.
The result of insufficient cleaning is increased fuel consumption, more frequent active regeneration, and shorter cleaning intervals, meaning the truck will soon be back in the workshop. At Dinex, we recommend a different approach.
With the Dinex Reconditioning program, rather than cleaning your filter, you swap it out for a reconditioned one which has been through the 3-stage cleaning process. This means the performance of that filter is as new. You've restored all the catalytic activity, completely cleaned it of all the hardened ash, and you're back up on the road within an hour. You return your old one to us and get your deposit back, and we put that back into the Recon program as part of the sustainability and circular economy.
If the returned filter is in proper condition, the refund will be issued. We check for significant damages to the ceramic core and signs of internal cracks or chemical damages. Minor damages to the metallic body are acceptable. We can fix that. All returned filters are processed here at Dinex factory in Latvia. The filter's metallic body is inspected for all critical dimensions, and nonconformities is repaired so the filter can be installed easily and free of leakages. If the body is too damaged, but the internal parts are in proper condition, the body will be replaced by a new one. Next up, the filter is reconditioned using OE-endorsed processes and equipment. After inspecting the filter for internal cracks, the complete surface of the filter is pneumatically blasted from both sides to remove loose particles and ashes. Next up, the filter is baked at high temperature in a controlled heating cabinet, which loosens more tricky, hardened ash that may remain in the filter.
Up until now, the process is the same as traditional bake and blow, where we take around 250 to 500 grams of soot out of the DPF.
As a third stage, the filter is ultrasonically cleaned in a special solution that removes the final remaining hardened ashes, sulfur, and phosphorus poisons, finally restoring the filter's catalytic properties. Finally, the filter is rinsed with clean water to wash away any remaining debris.
Now here's the real difference. As you can see, after the third stage, we take out twice as much soot as we did in stage 1 and 2, bake and blow.
Before being packed, all metal parts are sandblasted to remove corrosion stains and improve the sealing surface for a leak-tight installation at the workshop. After a protective layer of paint is added, the filter has finally been restored to near new state and is ready to be sold as a reconditioned filter.
All our Dinex reconditioned filters are type approved and backed by a 2-year warranty. In our experience, we show that we have longer service intervals, better fuel economy by using reconditioned DPFs rather than clean. This reduces your total cost of ownership over the lifetime of your vehicle, increasing also the uptime and your ability to be back on the road.
Read more about the benefits of particulate filter reconditioning and see the full range covering all trucks in Europe in our latest catalogs.